Gaming on an ultra-wide screen feels really impressive compared to a flat monitor. While you can get yourself multiple ones, they're often time expensive and cause issues such as neck pain. This is where a curved gaming monitor comes to the rescue. In today's video, we're going to showcase 5 of the best curved gaming monitors for immersive gaming.
Techfluencer delivers a complete buying guide for tech enthusiasts. Here, we try our best to make you pick the best PC components, laptops, and other tech gadgets with brief technical information, pros and cons, ratings, and recommendations. Our tech expert team tests, reviews, and benchmarks thousands of products to come up with the list of the best and latest products, along with recommendations for the viewers. To know what is the best choice for you, watch the full video and check the description for the purchase links.
Starting at number 5, we have the OPTIX G27CQ4 from MSI, a 27-inch Quad HD monitor that is perfectly balanced for competitive gameplay. Design-wise, MSI has done an amazing job with this one, as the sleek monitor goes perfectly well with the V-shaped metal base. The 1500R curvature ensures a wide viewing angle, which will come in handy to help you get a competitive edge on FPS games. Out of the box, this 27-inch curved monitor has a native resolution of 2560 x 1440p with a refresh rate of up to 165Hz and a response rate of only 1 millisecond, which combined makes it a well-balanced gaming monitor. Looking at the ports, we can see one display port, 1.2 capable of sending 165Hz signal, and a duo of HDMI 2.0 ports with 144Hz. Adjustability is quite subtle with this monitor, as you can only tilt the display up and down from -5 degrees to up to 20 degrees for finding the ideal viewing position that suits you the best. If you're aiming for a decent overall curved monitor that won't hurt your wallet that much, going for the MSI OPTIX G27CQ4 can be a good decision. Next up at number 4, we have the TUF Gaming from ASUS, a 32-inch curved monitor at a reasonable price. Besides its native resolution of 2560 by 1440p, this display is rocking 144Hz of refresh rate, 1 millisecond of response, and FreeSync premium support, which is quite rare to see in a monitor in this price category. Additionally, it also supports ASUS's ELMB feature that effectively brings down the motion blur level, which is an issue in most high refresh rate monitors. This gaming monitor boasts an ergonomic design where you can tilt it between -5 to 15 degrees and swivel it 10 degrees sideways to find the ideal viewing angle. As for the ports, you get 2 HDMI 2.0, 1 DisplayPort 1.2, and an earphone jack that ensures efficient connectivity. If you're looking for an affordable curved monitor for gaming, we highly recommend the ASUS TUF Gaming monitor. At number 3, we have the BenQ MOBIUZ, an impressive ultra-wide gaming monitor that looks sleek and exaggerates amazing color reproduction. This 34-inch monitor has a 21:9 aspect ratio, all thanks to its 1900R curvature. The result? Beautiful landscapes in open-world games and amazing cinematic experience. Furthermore, this VESA HDR 400 certification is what makes it stand out from other ones, as it produces exceptional color quality. The 98% DCI-P3 color coverage further enhances color quality for rich detailing. Keep in mind that this is a 144Hz monitor that also happens to support FreeSync Premium for lag-free competitive gaming. This monitor comes with 2 HDMI and 1 DisplayPort, along with 3 USB ports that will come in handy while plugging in your peripherals. If you prioritize color quality and detail above everything else, then the MOBIUZ EX3415R is the right one to go. Coming in number 2, we have the Odyssey G9 by Samsung. A marvelous curved gaming monitor that is a perfect blend of design and visual performance. Unlike most curved monitors, the Odyssey G9 has a perfect curvature of 1000R that makes on-screen contents comfortable to view with less neck strain. As for the 49-inch QLED screen, it has a native resolution of 5120 by 1440p, 95% DCI color gamut with HDR 1000, and combined with its 240Hz refresh rate, this monitor will let you experience next-gen games at their fullest extent. Moreover, this monitor supports both NVIDIA G-Sync and FreeSync Premium Pro to keep the screen tearing and lag down to a minimum so that you experience fewer frame drops while playing competitive games. This advanced monitor design is simply stunning, especially the infinity core lighting located on the back that showcases elegant lighting effects. And then, we have the V-shaped stand that provides sturdy support to the entire monitor and keeps it stable. The Samsung Odyssey G9 is an outstanding monitor with exceptional design and gaming performance if you have the price to pay. Finally, at number 1, we have the LG 34GN850B, LG's stunning 34-inch curved gaming monitor with advanced nano IPS panel and 1 millisecond response time. Design-wise, the monitor looks quite sleek with a gamey vibe to it where some of the red details are scattered all over it. The back of the monitor has a unique circular shape with the UltraGear logo carved right in that looks both distinctive and futuristic. With a native resolution of 3440 by 1440 pixels, gameplay appears a lot more clear and sharper. On top of that, the 98% DCI P3 color gamut combined with HDR 400 makes the color appear vibrant with rich detailing. This one is a 144Hz monitor which supports NVIDIA G-Sync that effectively reduces screen tearing and stuttering for highly responsive competitive gameplay. Talking about connections, we can see 2 HDMI 2.0, 1 DisplayPort 1.4, 3 USB 3.0, and a 3.5mm audio jack located at the back of the monitor. To sum things up, the LG 34GN850B is a sleek curved monitor with the right amount of everything you expect from a gaming display. So, that was all about the top 5 best curved gaming monitors. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and comment below to let us know your thoughts. Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon if you want to see more videos like this on your feed.